Hi everyone and welcome to Beautiful You TV. So I decided to do a makeup look which is inspired by Nicki Minaj's new video which is called Right Through Me. And if you want to know how to do this makeup look, then stay tuned. Okay, let's begin. First of all, take your primer. Today I'll be using Too Faced Shadow Insurance, but you can use absolutely any. And apply it to your lid. Like so. Now let's go on to our eyeshadows. Today I'll be using Mirror palette. Using 224 brush by MAC, I apply this beige color, which is called Nut Wheat, to my highlight zone. Now using 239 brush by MAC, I apply this burgundy color to the whole of my moving lid. And I smudge all the harsh lines that have occurred really well. Like so. Now take 226 brush by MAC and apply Cocoa eyeshadow to your outer corners. This way we are creating an eye makeup shape. The leftovers of the eyeshadow apply to your crease and don't apply too much. In my case, I have noticed that I actually have applied too much, so I'm going to apply a little bit of the highlight eyeshadow to the highlight zone again. Now let's go on to the eyeliner. I'm using Black Track Fluid Line, but you can use absolutely any liner. And I apply the liner with an angled brush by Kix. Some people prefer using a detailed brush or a fine brush. Go ahead if you want to. And now I'm going to create a flick to the liner line. Like this. And finally, I'm pulling the liner line downwards to the lower lash line. And I stop somewhere in the middle. The leftovers of the eyeliner, I apply to the waterline because I want to make my eyes pop. Like so. Now let's curl our lashes. Press the curler several times because you don't want to break your lashes, do you? Finally, apply mascara. Our eye makeup is ready. Now let's go on to the cheeks. I'm using Makeup Forever's Suntan Bronzer, which I'm going to apply with an angled blush brush by MAC. I apply the lines to my cheeks, and then I start smudging the product. And it will take some time, so be patient. So far it looks like this. Now let's go on to our lips. I'm using Natural Lip Pencil by Makeup Store, and I apply it as my contour. Like this. And finally, let's apply the lip gloss. Today I'll be using Culture Clash by MAC. And as you can see, I'm applying it to my lips. And yes, here is the final look. As you can see, it's very easy to create, and it can suit like a great look for any party or even as an everyday makeup look. So go ahead if you want to recreate it, and please let me know if you have. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks and bye.